I got two new tricks for you, and I hope you will be wondered after seeing these tricks. You might have used this, you might have not seen these tricks. Let's start the video. If you have to make a copy of a sheet, at the bottom I have sheet 1 and sheet 2. If you have to make a copy of sheet 2, you generally make a right click here, you go to this move or copy, you tap this option and select the sheet and click OK. You got a copy of your sheet. But what if I say there is a cool way to do this? How? Look here. I just need to hold and drag this sheet 2 to the right, but while releasing the cursor I need to make sure I hold my control key on the keyboard, and then I have to release the cursor like this. Now I have a copy here. Once again, hold and drag it to the right. Now press the control and hold it down and release the cursor. Here you go. Like it? Now, have you ever wondered when you type Sunday and you drag it, you get the week's name? In the same way, if you write the month's name and if you drag it, you get the month's name. But what if you write 1 and you drag it? Why don't you get 2, 3, 4 and so on? Have you ever think about it? No? Let's get this check. Here, go to File and this Options. Under this Advanced tab, go to the bottom. You have a General tab there, and go to this Edit Custom List. All these weeks and years name are pre-recorded in the Excel. This is why when you drag Sunday, you get the week's name. When you drag January, you get the month's name. Now, will it be possible that we can modify this? Oh, of course. That's what I'm going to show you. I have taken the country's name here all over the globe. I'm going to click on Add. I'm going to add all the entries here and I click on OK. Now, the first country is Afghanistan. If I scroll it, I will get all the name of the countries which I saved there. In the same way, you can modify this as per your own requirement. You can have your state's name or anything. I hope you must learn something new. Do like and share it with your friends. Thank you.